What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be doing new analyst target prices. We're going to be talking about a new target price for Aurora, for Canopy, Cronos, Hexo, Tilray, Aphria, and Organigram. So month over month, these target prices seem to always change, which is why I always like to catch you guys up on the latest target price from these analysts. We're going to look at different target prices from different articles, different sources, and then of course I'm going to give you guys my opinion as to what I think about these target prices. But before we get this video started, don't forget, give me a quick thumbs up, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button, and let's get this video started. So the first company I'm going to start off with is Hexo. So right here we have an article released September 23rd, which is pretty recent. That's actually been released today, and we're going to be talking about Hexo and what analysts think about this company. So the stock has fallen since its dismal third quarter performance. The company reported its results in June. However, the stock got a boost in September 20th after MKM Partner gave it a buy rating. The stock rose 10.6% on the same day. So we're going to take a look at what analysts think. So the latest target price, the number of analysts covering Hexo stock didn't change before the results. The consensus target price for the stock fell to $10.46 Canadian from $10.55 Canadian dollars before the company's earnings. The target price fell 0.85%. Currently, Hexo's revised target price means a potential upside of 79% over the next 12 months. Notably, CIBC downgraded Hexo to a neutral from an outperform and reduced the target price to $8.50 Canadian from $9.50 Canadian dollars. Oppenheimer also downgraded the stock to a perform from outperform. So while Hexo's consensus target price has fallen after its earnings, analysts remain bullish on the stock. The overall strong buy rating didn't change from the period before its earning release. Hexo missed its revenue estimate and reported a negative EBITDA, which might have caused the change in its target price and ratings. Currently, among 16 analysts covering the stock, 3 recommended a strong buy, 9 recommended a buy, 3 recommended a hold, and 1 recommends a strong sell. And that's it for Hexo. So we're going to move on straight to Aurora. I'm going to cover this quickly since I already did do an Aurora target price video. Overall, 15 analysts covered Aurora before its results. The consensus target price stock fell to $11.96 from $13.26, which is a 9.5% downfall. So the analyst ratings on Aurora Cannabis, the overall strong buy rating remained unchanged from the period before the earnings release. However, an equal number of analysts recommend the stock as a buy and a hold before the earnings. The company missed its revenue and profitability guidance, which might have caused the target price and the rating to change. Currently, among 15 analysts covering the stock, 3 recommended a strong buy, 5 recommended a buy, which is down by 1 from before the earnings release. 7 analysts have a hold rating on the stock, up from 6 before the company's earning release, and none of the analysts rate the stock as a sell. And we're also going to be looking at target prices here. Aurora has a median target price of $9 and a high target price of $10.63. And right here they have an average of $10.15 and a high of $15.10 and a low of $5. That is for Aurora Cannabis. So we're going to move on to the next company, which is Canopy Growth. So the current overall consensus rating for Canopy is a buy. Among 20 analysts covering the company, 9 recommended a strong buy, 7 recommended a hold, and 4 recommended a sell. Aurora has a consensus buy rating while Cronos has a consensus hold rating. Target price, Canopy's target price is $56.67 Canadian dollars. The target price represents an upside of 52% from the closing price of $37.25. Canopy's a lot lower right now. I think they're around $33. And if we're looking at these charts, you could just see that Canopy's target price continues to get lower and lower and lower every month that goes by. Here's another company, Alliance Global Partner, cut Canopy Growth's target price to 55 Canadian dollars from 67 Canadian dollars. Cohen and Company cut the target price to 48 Canadian dollars from 82 Canadian dollars with an outperform rating. PI Financial reduced the target price to 50 Canadian dollars from 80 Canadian dollars with a buy rating. CIBC cut the target price to 50 Canadian dollars from 80 Canadian dollars as well. Canaccord Genuity cut the target price to 60 Canadian from 70 Canadian, and Benchmark cut the price to 60 from 100 Canadian dollars. So we're seeing a similar trend. All these companies are cutting the target price for Canopy, lowering it by at least 20%. And if we look at it here, Canopy has a high of 57.6 target price and a median of $38.02 and a low of 24.4, which I don't think Canopy will be ever going that low, but that would be a very good buying opportunity if Canopy were to dip that low. The same thing here, average price, this is in Canadian dollars, of $53.22, a high of $70.34, and a low of $40. And that's the 1 year target price for Canopy growth. So now we're going to move on to the next company, which is Cronos. So a total of 12 analysts have been covering Cronos in August and September. 13 analysts covered the stock, and the consensus target price fell to $19.88 Canadian dollars from $20.30 Canadian in August, which represents a fall of 2.7%. The company closed at $15.30 Canadian dollars on September 13th. Notably, the company's current revised target price means a potential upside of 29.93 over the next 12 months. So on August 9th, Canaccord Genuity upgraded its rating from a sell to a hold. Piper Jaffray initiated coverage on the stock with an overweight rating on August 13th. On September 5th, BMO Capital Markets upgraded the stock from underperform to a market perform. Jim Cramer, CNBC's Mad Money host, has been recommending Cronos Group for several months now. He rates Cronos Group and Aphria ahead of Canopy growth. On September 3rd, Cohen reduced the company's target price from $21 to 17 Canadian dollars. The financial services firm cited concerns about Cronos Group's scale and overall strategy to profitability. Cronos Group consensus target price has fallen in September. The analyst gave the company a consensus hold rating. One analyst maintained a strong buy, while two gave it a buy rating, up one before its latest earnings release. 8 analysts have a hold rating on the stock, up from 7 before the company's earning release. One analyst maintained a strong sell on the stock, down from 2 before its latest earnings release. And right here we see Cronos, which is an average recommendation of a hold, an average target price of $14.72, and this is in American dollars. And then looking at it in Canadian dollars, we have a median of $14.69, $19.58, and a low of $10.55. So now we're going to be moving to Tilray. So Tilray is trading 27% higher than its 52-week low of $27.65. The stock is trading at a discount of 88.3% from its 52-week high of $300 year to date. The company has lost 50.2% of its stock value. Tilray has underperformed the broader equity market. After Tilray reported its second quarter earnings, Benchmark lowered its target price from $120 to $80. The wider net loss might have led Benchmark to lower its target price in the above graph. Tilray's average target price has been declining. The lower target price indicates the weakening sentiments. Currently, analysts have a 12-month target price of $76.40. As of Thursday, the company was trading at a discount of 117.5% from the analyst's 12-month target price. Overall, analysts favor a hold rating for Tilray. Among the 16 analysts that covered Tilray, 62.5% recommended a hold, 31.3% recommended a buy, and 6.3% recommended a sell. And right here, we're going to look at Tilray's target price. They have a median of $62, a high of $80, and a low of $26, and this is in Canadian dollars. And it's almost the same thing here, a high of $80, average of $48.17, and a low of $4. That would be very ridiculous if we seen Tilray go all the way down to $4. So now we're going to be moving on to Aphria's target price. So the analyst recommendations for Aphria. Since Aphria reported its earnings, 3 analysts have changed their target prices. CIBC raised its target price from $6.50 Canadian to $7 Canadian dollars. Haywood Securities lowered its target price from 16 Canadian dollars to $14.50 Canadian. Bray & Garnier cut its target price from 23 Canadian dollars to 18 Canadian dollars. I'm honestly pretty shocked at CIBC's target price of $7. So CIBC is saying that the target price for Aphria will be going as low as 7 Canadian dollars, which actually could be possible, because if we look at Aphria real quick, in Canadian dollars, they are sitting at $8.11. And we have seen Aphria recently go down as low as $7.89. And in the past, they have gone down as low as $6, but that was when they were getting all those short seller allegations. So in the above graph, you could see that analysts' average target price has been falling since April. On average, analysts have given Aphria a 12-month target price of $14.94, which implies a 57.1% upside. And as you can see, this little line right here is the Aphria target price. it dramatically dropped here. I'm guessing this was after those allegations, and it's continued to slowly decline. Also, analysts are favoring a buy recommendation for Aphria. Among the 12 analysts that follow Aphria, 75% recommended a buy, 16.7% recommended a hold, and 8.3% recommended a sell. Looking at these target prices, Aphria has a median target price of $10.58, a high of $13.60, and a low of $5.29. And this is in American dollars, a high of $10.55, an average of $7.79, and a low of $5.27. So now we're going to go to the last company, which is Organigram. So Organigram has fallen by 9.9% since the company reported its third quarter earnings on July 15th. Organigram's revenues rose 784% year over year to 24.8 million Canadian dollars. Sequentially, the revenues fell from 26.09 million Canadian dollars in the second quarter. In the above chart, you can see that analysts' average target price has fallen from $11.98 Canadian dollars to June $11.74 Canadian dollars. The lower average target price represents a weaker sentiment. However, the company was still trading at a discount of 97.7% from analysts' average target price. Among the 12 analysts that follow Organigram, 91.6% recommend a buy, while 8.3% recommended a hold. And I guess if you guys stuck around this long, I will let you guys know that I have recently picked up some Organigram shares. So analysts expect Organigram to report revenues of 96.9 million Canadian dollars in fiscal 2019 and 206.5 Canadian dollars in 2020. The company's revenues will likely rise 679.3% in fiscal 2019 and 113.2% in fiscal 2020. So right here we're going to look at Organigram, and they have a median target price of $12.25. They have a high of $15 and a low of $9, and all these look good because right now Organigram is sitting at around $5.55, around there. So even if Organigram hit any one of these target prices, they would be seeing close to almost 100% gains. And that's it for these target prices. So just know that these target prices will always change, and these are analysts' estimates. They're not always going to be 100% right. Maybe on occasions we might see them actually hit these target prices, but for now they're just estimates and guesses, and it's just something important to keep an eye out on. Don't ever bet your money on analyst target prices, because these guys change their target price month over month. If you guys watch my previous target price videos and compare the prices of then versus now, they're going to change regardless. So that's it for these target prices. Let me know what you guys think about these target prices. Have you picked up any of these companies? And also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, smash the subscribe button if you're new here. And that's it for now. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.